Hi friends, this is Emilia. Today I will show you our different two components polyurethane casting machine. This one is A and B two components. It without the pigment, no color systems. So normally it's do with the original color. So this is normally for resin casting or the simple color casting of the A components. So in that case, the products only one color inside the A. And now I will show you our another type also A, B, two components. A polymer, B secure like E300, and this one with two pigments. You can see there is the pigment tank with the S2, so you can change in like the yellow, like the red, like the green. So if you are interested in any machines, feel free to contact with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.